In this video I'll show you the cheapest charger for nickel metal hydride batteries, the rechargeable batteries from IKEA, the Lada AA and AAA, and this is the Stenool. This is surprisingly good for a charger, especially that it has an individual charging circuit. Each battery is charged individually. You can tell that from the way the LED lights are working. There are other options, the Jugo and the Lithosphar. This is the Jugo, which has 12 batteries charging, and also there is the Lithosphar with 12 batteries and the storage, but you see one battery is bad there. This is interesting that happened now while I was recording the video, because I will show you that this one, it didn't show the red light on a battery, so it might not have the detection for that. This is the information of the charger. Usually the speed for charging these rechargeable batteries is pretty much the same. The IKEA Lada batteries are made in Japan, and to me they are really rebranded Eneloop batteries. And I will move the batteries to this new charger. This one is very simple. You simply plug it into the wall charger, just like that. You don't need a cable, you don't need anything. And you will have the lights turn on, and you cannot charge more than 4 batteries at once. You could charge 2 batteries or even one single battery at once, but not more than 4. You can also charge AA, the big ones I charge now, or even AAA, the smaller ones. It has a slot for each one. That's very convenient. But you see it's charging, and I waited a little bit. I was going around trying to see what happens, and it didn't show the battery was bad, one of the batteries. So either the battery was okay eventually, or this one doesn't show that. But it is the cheapest charger from IKEA for rechargeable batteries. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.